Hey everyone, and welcome back. Are you looking to boost your business's credibility effortlessly? Let's automate your review requests in GoHighLevel and make this process seamless. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and navigate to the Automations tab on the left sidebar. Here, you can create a new automation for review requests. Then click Create Workflow and choose Start from Scratch. Next, add a trigger for when a service is marked as complete. You can select the Service Completed option from the list, then click Save Trigger. This ensures that the automation is triggered immediately after a service is finished. Now it's time to add the actions. Click Add Action and select Send Email or Send SMS to craft your review request, then click Save Action. Make sure to personalize your message to encourage customers to leave a review. Before finalizing, always test your automation to ensure everything works as intended. Click the Run Test button to simulate the process. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click Save and activate your workflow. Your automated review requests are now live. And there you have it. Want to streamline your follow-up process? Try GoHighLevel with a 30-day free trial and schedule your kickoff call for a smooth start. All links are in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.